Hey, what's up? What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching. We have another, well, unboxing, not really. It's more like a quick unbagging. And it's the time the holidays are coming. It's cold. And this is dedicated for anybody who needs the hat, or let's say the beanie, when they go on. So let's just get to it. It's a bag, so I'm not gonna need anything crazy. It's a very, very light package. It's from Supreme, and I saw it, and I was trying to find something I actually liked. I did like the t-shirts, but then I just settled for this uh, because this was the one that I actually liked the most out of them all. I'll explain the reasons why, and then go from there. All right, so here we have it. It's the Junya Watanabe Comme des Garçons man, and this is a beanie. So this is from Supreme, as you can see. And let's see on the inside of here. Let's see. Let's just flip it out for a minute. Okay, cool. So it has a little label over here. And it does say Supreme again, Comme des Garçons, Junya Watanabe over here. And Supreme New York City. Hand wash cold. Do not iron, do not flat. It's made in Korea. 100% acrylic. Of course, you can cut this out, but again, most of us won't want to do that because again, that's we just don't. And over here you have the Junya Watanabe over here, Supreme, and then you have the Supreme tag. It was $40. I didn't get it in store. I had to have it shipped out. I believe the day that it came out. I think I was working. If I'm right. Have this. I'm trying to get the feel for this. All right, so this is like it's almost like an ironed-on patch because if you hear it, there's a texture to it. And this is like a robot bug, futuristic looking robot. And on the back, of course, you see Supreme again, Junya Watanabe, very blurred out, of course, man. Over here, this is actually all this is actually embroidered, or at least it's a patch, which I like because everything else I didn't know on the rest of the stuff from the hoodies what was embroidered, stitched in, or at least had that embroidered look. And this is you could see it over here as you get closer to it. It's definitely embroidered. I can try to change the angle that way you can see it. You see how it is embroidered, which is like I said before. I wouldn't say settle, but it's something that I was looking at. Usually, when you get a collection like this too, you pay a price for it. You would, I mean, to me, I think that embroidered stuff does last longer. Of course, we still get screen printed stuff on it many times. It's not much to say about it. It's just, this is the beanie. On the back, it's just all black. And yeah, I actually didn't expect to have like this texture. It's not stitched in. It looks like it's just like an ironed on patch. Yeah, it's definitely a patch, which is interesting because so many times you look at it, you don't even know unless you're in person, especially when you order it by mail. It's different. The one thing I did know that this part was embroidered, which is what uh, helped me decide on it. Well, I mean, it kind of goes along with, if you guys want to check out the other videos I have, it's slowly growing the Supreme collection. I'm sure if you see in the background, I have this thermal from SIG. It's a very nice thing. It's just not doing much. It's sitting on my desk, which is basically like an ornament for the desk. As you can see over here. But that's it. If anybody wants to make any comments, leave comments, questions about it. I'm excited about it. today was a day that I wish I had this on, actually. I just wanted to do the quick unboxing. Now that's over, I can definitely rock this now. And, guys, please subscribe, pass the word on. I'm trying to increase my subscribers. I greatly appreciate everybody who's been watching. And from new, it's not difficult. Just click subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And I appreciate all the time that everybody takes to watch the videos. Just stopping by means, a lot. And it's not easy. I do work full time. So for me to do all these major productions and things like that, and of course other obligations, personal ones, it's something that's greatly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Check out the other videos I have also. See ya.